everybody, and welcome to a duo studio here at the new Disneyland Tower at Disneyland Hotel in California. Alrighty, so as you enter the room, you have a nice full-size mirror here. Everything in here is just beautifully done. And we have a very generous sized bathroom as you walk in. Again, very nicely done. Has the H2O amenities. Spacious, has a nice shower here with a rainforest head and a bench seat there. So coming out into the room area, again, it's a duo studio, so it is pretty small, but for two people it's more than enough, and it's very luxurious. So we have the extra blankets and pillows up top. We have some very nice Disneyland robes for use. We have laundry and dry cleaning on site. We also have a steam iron up top, as well as a regular iron and ironing board and a laundry basket. Coming into the room here, we have a big flat screen TV, lots of different amenities listed here. We have in-room dining, we have a spa, just a whole bunch of things and conveniences to check out there. We have a microwave and we have stocked with plates, dishes, and silverware down below. We have a nice size refrigerator, and in here we have our safe. Two drawers there, and then over here we have three nice size drawers. So, taking a look here into the bedroom area, we have a little nook over here, an additional chair, two little coffee tables, two little end tables with a regular charging plug, a USB-C, and a USB, and some nice overhead lighting. And now, if I show you how it turns in to your bedroom. So again, some additional lighting up here. Oh, I can't turn it on right now, but this is how it turns into your bed. Again, the pillows and the extra blankets are up top. It's definitely more than enough space for two people in here. I think it is a great option in one of the newer towers. And then we do also have a balcony. Our view is not fantastic. We're facing out into California, and it is a little bit loud, but it's nice to have this additional space. Since we don't have a ton of space in the room, it's nice to have space out here. So it has a glass wall balcony. And this is the view from the studio. So heading back into the room, again, that sums up our duo studio here at the Disneyland Hotel in the DVC Tower. So this is a DVC room, but anybody can stay here. You don't have to be a DVC member to stay here in this tower. If you are interested in coming to Disneyland and staying at any of their Disneyland hotels, please reach out to us at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook. They are currently having the 70th celebration at the moment, so a great time to come over to Disneyland. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Thank you for watching, and say ciao.